I spent the last 60 days experimenting, researching, and watching YouTube videos. That told you about hundreds or maybe thousands of AI tools. I know you are tired of these videos, so I've compiled a list of the top 7 AI tools to enhance your videos and scripts, making them more powerful, exciting, and professional. These tools will not only save you money because they are free or almost free, like giving you a certain amount of credits, but more importantly, they will save you a lot of time and effort. In this video, I'll break down the top AI tools by their standout features that outshine the competition and how they are helpful in video creation process, from brainstorming ideas to designing the perfect thumbnail. Make sure to watch until the end to not miss any of these magnificent tools. Script summarization. First up, we have Glasp, a browser extension that excels at summarizing video scripts on YouTube. Let's say you want to extract some key ideas from a video. Glasp will help you by summarizing the video to its main points. This tool isn't limited to YouTube videos. It can also summarize PDFs and blog posts, making it a versatile tool for efficiently gathering and preparing content. By using Glasp, you can save a tremendous amount of time in your research phase. Instead of watching an entire video or reading a lengthy document, you get the core insights quickly. This is especially useful if you need to create content based on multiple sources, as it allows you to compile essential information without the tedious task of sifting through hours of material. Writing and content generation. Once you have summaries from various videos or documents, you can turn to ChatGPT. I know most of you heard about it before. It is really helpful and can save a lot of time. ChatGPT can help you generate an outstanding script from scratch or refine an existing one. Think of it as having a personal assistant dedicated to your creative projects. For example, you could input the summaries you gathered using Glasp into ChatGPT and ask it to craft a cohesive and engaging script. ChatGPT can also provide suggestions, generate dialogue, and even help with brainstorming new ideas. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool for any content creator looking to streamline their writing process. Text-to-speech. After finalizing your script, the next step is to create a voiceover. This is where 11 Labs comes in. If you have a bad mic or feel you can't use your voice for some reason, 11 Labs offers advanced text-to-speech capabilities that transform your text into lifelike speech. This tool is perfect for creating voiceovers or adding narration to your videos seamlessly.
First off, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. Recently, something unusual has been happening on YouTube, and it's good news for small and new creators. I posted a question on Twitter asking if people have noticed new and small channels being promoted on their YouTube home feed. The responses were eye-opening.
With 11 Labs, you can choose from a variety of voices and customize the tone and pace to match the mood of your content. Whether you're making an instructional video, a documentary, or a promotional piece, 11 Labs ensures that your audio sounds professional and engaging. They offer 10,000 credits every month, which equal 8 minutes of speech. But maybe, and I say maybe, you have multiple emails. So you can get 10,000 credits for every email you sign up with. I can't explain too much because it's banned on YouTube. So make sure to search on Google about how to get emails for free. I tested it and it's working so far. After making the voiceover, you need sound effects. You can find them on free websites like Pixabay or create your own sound effects using 11 Labs also. Music generation. Now, if your content requires background music, look no further than Suno. This AI tool generates music tracks based on descriptions you provide. It's a valuable resource for adding background music to your videos without worrying about copyright issues. Suno offers daily credits, which are actually enough. So you can generate new tracks regularly. You simply describe the type of music you need, whether it's upbeat, relaxing, or dramatic, and Suno creates a track that fits your description. This eliminates the need to search through libraries of stock music, saving you time and ensuring that your videos have unique and fitting soundtracks. Actually, I couldn't resist creating songs, so I created 4 songs before starting the record. This song is stuck in my head until now. Let me play it.
No! God, please, no!
Grow your channel, make it thrive. With said wealth, you'll come alive. Views and money rolling in. Let the YouTube journey begin.
Sorry. Let's moving to the next tool, video animation. Moving on to visuals, we start with Immersity. This tool breathes life into any image by transforming it into a video with added camera effects. Immersity is perfect for adding a dynamic touch to your visuals, making your content more engaging. The free plan limits the video resolution, but don't worry, because the next tool will solve this problem. Immersity remains an excellent tool for creating eye-catching animations. You can animate photos, illustrations, or any static image to create a more immersive experience for your viewers. This tool is particularly useful for social media content, where captivating visuals are crucial for grabbing attention. The tool that we will talk about now, it's a little bit different, because it excels in many things over its competitors. And I don't know why it is ignored and barely mentioned. The tool is CapCut, and I'm talking about the website, not the app. Let's start with video enhancement. To address the issue of low resolution, we turn to CapCut. CapCut offers a video upscale tool that enhances the quality of your videos and images for free. This tool is essential for ensuring that your content looks crisp and professional, regardless of its original resolution. CapCut uses advanced algorithms to upscale your media, improving clarity and detail. This means that even if you start with lower quality footage, you can still produce high quality results. Additionally, CapCut provides other video editing features, making it a versatile tool for content creators aiming to enhance the visual appeal of their videos. Video ads creation. If you're looking to create promotional videos, CapCut has a feature that allows you to generate ad videos effortlessly. By copying the URL of a product, say from Amazon, CapCut automatically creates several promotional videos related to that product. These videos often require little to no editing, but you still have the option to tweak them directly on the platform. This feature is a game changer for marketers and businesses. It streamlines the process of creating high-quality promotional content, saving you both time and resources. Whether you're promoting products, services, or events, CapCut's ad creation tool helps you produce effective and professional videos with ease. Thumbnail creation. After you've created your video, you'll need an eye-catching thumbnail to attract viewers. CapCut also excels in this area with its thumbnail creation tool. It's similar to Canva, but offers more powerful templates and customization options. I'll choose a thumbnail with a person's face because our final tool allows for easy face replacement. ClipDrop simplifies the process of creating custom thumbnails and visual content by allowing you to replace faces in images. This tool is perfect for enhancing your video thumbnails and making them stand out in crowded social media feeds. With ClipDrop, you can take any image and swap out the face with another of your choosing. This is particularly useful for creating engaging and personalized content. Whether you're working on promotional material or social media posts, ClipDrop helps you craft visually appealing images that grab attention. Now, these tools have additional features, but through my research, I've distilled the best ones for you. If you found these AI tools valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on optimizing your creative process with AI. And if you're looking to further accelerate your YouTube channel growth, make sure to check out my last video where I covered the top mistakes new channels make and how to avoid them. It's packed with tips that perfectly complement the tools we discussed today. Stay tuned for future videos where we explore advanced techniques and strategies to elevate your content creation game.